Blocking is way easier to install before you raise the walls because you get way better access and don't have to awkwardly shimmy around once everything's standing. So, here's the lowdown. When you put in blocking before sheathing and before you stand up the walls, it's like having the whole workspace open and easy to reach. You can nail or screw everything in tight without struggling against the wall frame. Plus, if you miss a spot or need to tweak something, it's simple to fix before things get permanent. After you stand the walls, getting to those blocking spots is a total pain, and it slows down your whole project. Also, putting in blocking early means less chance of forgetting it entirely, which saves you from those annoying retrofits later that always mess with your timeline and budget. It's smart to double-check your plans before framing, so you know exactly where all the blocking goes. If you need to, you can add or adjust a little after the walls are up, but starting early is the way to go if you want it done right and fast. One of the biggest mistakes with blocking installation is waiting until after the walls are standing to do it. That makes everything harder to reach and slows down the job. Fix: do your blocking while the walls are still flat on the ground. Another problem is missing backing spots because of poor planning or not following the construction plans closely. To avoid that, take time to review your framing drawings and mark where blocking goes before you start. Lastly, using the wrong size or type of blocking can weaken the structure or make it tough to attach fixtures later. Always use the right lumber size and make sure it fits snugly between studs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess around with quality. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work by connecting with people who actually need pro help for their home projects.